Turning in the files for this assignment looks different for me than it does for you, but go ahead and add file, and you're going to browse to your folder. First, we're going to turn in the intro PNG image. We'll do these 4 first, and then finally the Photoshop file that was used to make them. So you're going to open, it's going to upload it to your assignment, and they should start to show up. Let me add another one. And finally, we have the actual Photoshop file. And the icon will be blue for Photoshop. It'll be named the original titles for My Favorite Things with Your Name. And it'll say Adobe Photoshop there. And then you can turn it in.